All right, well, let's go for a walk. Today we're heading to Slippery Lake Swimming Hole. Yeah, that's about a 3-kilometer walk from the quick stop here in Nain, and it's kind of steep and some of it's up some trails, but hey, it only takes about a little over an hour maybe to get there, and it is well worth the trip. Check it out. Little lake up here. The water's actually quite warm. It's up here on a plateau. We get lots of sun in the summer and it just warmed this water up. It's not that deep and people come up here and go swimming. Not to me, not today though. It's like only 12 degrees out. That's why I'm wearing the jacket. So yeah, not today. Go north.